Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 3 from Xiaomi, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, we will need a cable that you use normally for charging, and you want to plug it into your computer. Now I have one right over here, as you can see. So okay, there it is, and it stayed. So to begin, number one, you want to power off the device by holding power key and selecting the power off option. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold volume up, so only volume up, and while holding that you will want to plug in the cable. And there we go. So you can see that we're now in the recovery mode. So you can unplug the cable, it's not needed anymore. And from here, using volume keys, you can navigate. So the first option is reboot system now, which will just go back to Android. Then reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot mode, and wipe data factory reset along with power off. So whatever you select, you will need to confirm it with power key. So if I want to leave this mode, I'm going to select reboot system now and confirm it by pressing the power key. And as you can see, we're back in Android. So that is how you enter and also exit the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.